Baking. Baking.
Cooking food in an oven, often using dry heat.
Boiling. Boiling.
Cooking food by immersing it in boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
Braising. Braising.
Brown food in fat, then cook it covered in a small amount of liquid over low heat.
Broiling. Broiling.
Cooking food directly under intense heat, often using a broiler.
Frying. Frying.
Cooking food in hot oil or fat.
Grilling. Grilling.
Cooking food over direct heat, often using a grill.
Roasting. Roasting.
Cooking food in an uncovered pan in an oven, often using dry heat.
Sautéing. Sautéing.
Cooking food quickly in a small amount of hot oil or fat.
Simmering. Simmering.
Cooking food in liquid just below boiling point around 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit.
Steaming. Steaming.
Cooking food by exposing it to steam.
Caramelizing. Caramelizing.
Heat sugar until it turns amber and develops a nutty flavor.
Glazing. Glazing.
Coat food with a thin layer of sugar or syrup.
Flavoring. Flavoring.
Adding ingredients to enhance the taste of a dish.
Marinating. Marinating.
Soaking food in a flavorful liquid to tenderize and add flavor.
Seasoning. Seasoning.
Adding salt, pepper, and other spices to food.